keep your eye on the mountain. Hello folks! For some of you this janky outfit looks a little familiar, and if it is, then you just finished watching my WERBUNG video because it was filmed on the same day. If not, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go watch it now. So, as part 2 of our Lake Constance adventure, we are doing my favorite hike, which is up an extinct volcano to the 1,000-year-old fortress ruin of Hohentwiel. Only to find out that it's actually closed. So, we're only going to show you a little part of it. That's okay. That means you'll just have to come again, but they're doing restorations at the moment. So we won't be able to actually go inside, but we can at least get you into the bastion. I think that's what it's called. FYI, this area was the inspiration for a scene in my novel, The God Queen. Actually, that's part of the reason why I went ahead and did this hike, because the main character only made it to this area anyway. The road came around a bend and she saw it, a large stone edifice that towered above her. It was a miracle the behemoth had been overtaken. The road continued on through a tunnel that ran under the belly of the beast, the only entrance. The tunnel wasn't long and opened on the other side to a large courtyard. To her right was a breathtaking view of the valley before her. To her left, the fortress sprawled along a higher peak like a sleeping giant. Most of the stones had crumbled away, while others had been weathered by rain covered in moss. The courtyard held nothing but open space with a layer of snow. Off in the distance, a mound stood tall, and Ray approached it as her companion entered the courtyard. For those of you who have read The God Queen, Hohentwiel inspired the fortress of Riordan, where Ray's older brother Niclaren was slain in battle about a decade before the beginning of the story. Of course, this is the scene where she got to see the fortress for herself for the first time, and it was a very emotional experience for her. Well guys, that's it. It's gonna be like a very short video. I had meant to do more. Obviously, as you can see behind me, this thing is a beast. Really fun to hike. I've hiked it a number of times with Abner, who is my previous pug. If you want to see more, I will actually link old blog posts with a good photo session with Abner in the link in the description below. But that'll have to do until hopefully restorations will get done soon. I don't know when, because I really miss hiking this. It's really fun, and if you're ever in the area, make sure that it is open. Not like us and just like show up and hope for the best. But if it is open, definitely hike it. It's absolutely worth it. Well, I wish I could do more, but that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, short as it is, please give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you do want to see more, as well as letting YouTube know, and I will make sure to do a longer video next time when this is open. And yeah, I hope you had fun. The WERBUNG video is much longer. There's more to that, so definitely go check it out. If you still haven't been watching it yet, what is wrong with you? And well, until next time, leavelings.